So when was the last time you went out and updated your gear? I know that a lot of people are getting a lot of deals on gear right now. And while we're not working, a lot of DJs are looking for gear. And what I've been learning by watching the online stuff and seeing the forums and the Facebook pages and the Facebook groups and talking to my colleagues around the country and around the world, there's a lot of there's a lot of great deals out there. Okay, yeah, why? Because there's a lot of DJs going out of business. Is that how you're getting your deals? Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License. Thanks for being a part of my little show. Thank you to my sponsors, Electro Voice and DJ Event Planner and DJ NTV and Promo Only. And of course, the Entertainment Experience Workshop. If you want to know more about that, please check it out. But it is a little sad, really, especially right now, to see that there are DJs, a lot of part-time DJs who have full-time jobs that keep them working, are profiting right now off of those big DJ companies or those small DJ companies or just people like myself that have been that are going through this decimating time of COVID-19 and all of our events drying up. I've got good friends that have lost their entire businesses and are looking at maybe in losing their homes, looking at going out and finding themselves another job because their businesses have been destroyed, because no one's booking anything and everyone's moving everything and everything's getting canceled and people are afraid to do parties. What's happening is, it's that old statement, when there's blood in the water, buy property, right? So right now there are DJs, our colleagues, our friends, I just hit the microphone, sorry about that, people that are out there trying to do the same beautiful work that we are, that are taking advantage of those DJ companies that are all of a sudden having to get out of the business. Now, should we not help them? No. That's not what I'm saying at all. I think that if someone has to sell their company, the least you can do is try to help them out by taking on their equipment and taking on what you can for them, helping them out as much as you can. If they're wanting to sell their things, I think you should. But what I'm hearing is that these people are so desperate that you can get them down to half the price they're putting out. You can get really great deals because this DJ is charging this and I know I can get him to this, because what's he going to do, right? What's he going to do? Well, there but for the grace of God go you. Okay, you might have a great job at a programming company 7 days a week, 5 days a week, with a big salary, and on the weekends you DJ. So this guy, this is all he does. Okay, he has his house, so do you. And if I turned around one day and I heard you lost your job and you were about to lose your house, and I just came in and said, well, I'll buy your furniture for 10 cents on the dollar, trying to help you out a little bit. That's not helping anybody out. Now, is it good business? I don't know. I wouldn't do it, but I'm also not rich, right? I'm also not the best businessman. The best businessmen know when to buy and when to sell. And right now, it's a good time to buy because people are out there selling their stuff. What I would suggest, though, is that we come together as brothers and sisters and not just profit off the losses that are happening to these people that are suffering so badly, but to actually help them in a way that's meaningful. Don't take their stuff away for nothing. Give them a fair value, okay? That's what you would want, isn't it? And if you're not a big conglomerate, how well are you doing because you screwed one small guy out of giving him 10 cents on the dollar on all the equipment that he took years to build, and the business that he spent years to build that just got destroyed because of something that was outside of his control. This is yet another one of those things I talk about when it comes to giving back. This is a perfect opportunity to do that, don't you think? I'd like to know what you think. I really would. Even those of you who disagree with what I have to say, I'd like to hear it. I don't know that you're ever going to change my mind on it, but you always want to hear everybody's side, right? I'm Bill. This is Creative License. Keep doing well.